Hello friends, my name is Yash, and today I'll tell you how to make this cool particle animation. Let's make it. First, make a new composition and change preset to HDTV 1080. Then change the time to 10 seconds. Right-click and make a new solid layer. Rename it as background and click OK. Now click on Effect, Generate, and select 4-color gradient. Change all gradient colors into black. Then change only one color to white. Drag the center of white color gradient at center of background. Now change positions of other black gradients as I'm doing. You are free to choose any background design as you'd like. Now right-click and click on Import File. Choose your own logo. And make sure it is in PNG format. Now pre-compose this file into a new composition and rename it as Logo 1. Double-click to open this composition, again pre-compose file and rename it as Logo 2. You will understand later why we did this. Go to Logo 1 composition. And select this rectangular mask tool. Then, change the magnification ratio so that it will zoom out a little bit. Now, draw the rectangular path which should be longer than screen height. Also, make sure it is not so thick. Go to Comp 1. And make sure that the size of mask is same. Now, drag the mask to left as I am doing. Make sure that you are at 0 seconds. Then, go to Mask 1 and add keyframe in mask path. Now go to 4 seconds and drag the mask to the left, the keyframe will be added automatically. This is the animation you have made. Again, go to Composition Logo 1, and change the value of feather to 25 pixels. Due to this, you will get this effect. Go to Main Composition and drag your Logo 2 composition to your main composition. Make sure the layer should be at the top. Now go to Logo 2 composition. Then, go to Effect, Transition and select Linear Wipe. You can notice that, when you set its value to 100, it wipes completely, and when you set it to 0, it wipes 0%. So, go at 0 seconds and with the value 0% make a keyframe. Then, go at 4 seconds and change the value to 100%. This time the keyframe will be added automatically. Now, go at beginning, and press 0 key on numpad to play preview of your video. If wipe effect is not matching, click here and change the wipe angle to 270 degrees. Again press numpad 0 key to play preview. You will now see our effect is matching. Now right click and make a new solid. And click on OK. Right click and rename it as particles. Now, go to Effects, Trapcode and click on Particular. If you don't have Trapcode Particular, you can download it free from the link given in description. When you'll see this particles, click on Emitter Type and change it to Layer. Now, go to Layer Emitter and before selecting one, click here to make it 3D layer. And then select Logo 1 layer. Scroll up, and change particles per second to 100,000. And then, scroll down and change layer sampling to particle birth time. Click 0 key on numpad to play preview. Now, it is looking quite similar to our final effect. But, we have to add some more effects to make it more better. You are free to change the particles per second. Then, change velocity to 200 or 250. You can set any value that you want. Now go back and click on Particle. Make sure that particle type is sphere. Also, change the life in seconds to 2 seconds. Set sphere feather value to 100. Scroll down a little bit. Now, change the size to 2. And, change the size random to 50%. You can change these values as you want. Then, go back, and click on Physics. Make sure the physics model is set to air. Also, set gravity to -450 if you want the particles to fly up. And, it's totally on your choice. Click on Air, and set air resistance to 2. You are free to set any value. Now, scroll down, click on Turbulence field and change the effect position value to 100. Due to this, you will get some random motion of particles, like this. Scroll up and go back. Then click on Rendering. Then, go to Motion Blur, and turn on the Motion Blur effect. This will give you some smooth motion views of particles. I will zoom a little bit, so that you can see the effect clearly. Let me zoom out again. Make sure that the type is set to linear. Go back. Congrats. You have completed your particular effect. Please subscribe if you like my videos. I need your support. Help me to grow my channel.